Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see, today we're working on the track. I think this is track video number 3 or part 3, and check out what we added to the track here. Mark went out and got a starting gate. It's pretty sick. Just two little gates. That's all we need. They're not little, they're full size, but pretty dope. So we can do some starts. Also, we finished one rhythm section to the track. Mark added some whoops, and we just cleaned up a bunch of stuff. So I'll show you guys some of that, and then put on the GoPro, and we're gonna do some riding of it today. Hopefully we'll have the whole crew here. Ian's riding, Mark's riding. We even got Brandon out here on the KTM SX 250. He picked up a new bike, and then me on my bike. So that's enough of me talking. Quick thing, like I said in my last video, I'm gonna be changing my YouTube profile picture from this to this. I just wanted to let you guys know before I do it, just so you guys recognize it. And I'm just doing that because it will match all my other social media, so you guys can find me easier. And also, if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe, because at 5,000 subscribers, I will be giving away my GoPro Hero 6. So that's enough of me talking. I'm gonna show you guys the track and put on the GoPro. Mark's the champ.
Really? Now that I have this set, I can beat you. Right when the gate's out.
Alright guys, we're out here doing some start practices. Mark hasn't seen me on the Honda yet.
I haven't
but
lost
I'll
yet.
whoop him, don't worry.
I haven't lost yet. Your boy's been winning all day. Don't plan on doing anything else.
Comment down below, what do you think is the fastest bike off the line? The Cali, KTM, Yamaha, or Honda? I'm gonna drop the gate a few more times, and then I'll put the GoPro on and do a few laps with him. You guys ready?
Your GoPro's on, right?